Aftermath of the cyclone Winston, we are seeking assistance
Everybody.
from anyone that we know. Uh, the cyclone has blown our house down. Only the floor was left. We just made this makeshift shed so that we can shelter underneath. But there's another one we did. When it rains, then we'll stay in there. So we are asking and pleading that you can donate anything. The children's books are all wet. Bags, school things are all destroyed. All the furniture in the house all destroyed. So we're just asking for assistance in whatever way you can provide.